Stay connected with links 123. Like, subscribe, and join our community. Donald Trump's presidency from January 20th, 2017 to January 20th, 2021 saw several significant accomplishments, as well as controversy and debate. Some of his key achievements include 1. Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, 2017. Trump signed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act into law, which was the largest overhaul of the U.S. tax code in decades. The law reduced the corporate tax rate from 35% to 21% and provided temporary tax cuts for individuals, which were set to expire in 2025. 2. Judicial appointments asterisk. Trump appointed 3 Supreme Court justices, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett, solidifying a conservative majority on the court. He also appointed over 200 federal judges, reshaping the federal judiciary with a conservative tilt. 3. Deregulation asterisk. The Trump administration rolled back numerous federal regulations, particularly in environmental protection and business oversight. His administration argued this was necessary to reduce the regulatory burden on businesses and boost the economy. 4. Economic growth and unemployment asterisk. Before the COVID-19 pandemic, the U.S. economy saw significant growth, with low unemployment rates. The stock market reached record highs during his presidency. Trump's administration claimed credit for this growth, although critics argue that it was part of a broader trend that began under previous administrations. 5. Criminal justice reform asterisk. Trump signed the First Step Act into law in 2018, a bipartisan criminal justice reform bill aimed at reducing recidivism and reforming sentencing laws, particularly for nonviolent offenders. 6. Foreign policy asterisk. Middle East asterisk. Trump's administration brokered the Abraham Accords, which normalized relations between Israel and several Arab countries, including the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain. North Korea asterisk. Trump held unprecedented summits with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, though these did not lead to denuclearization. China asterisk. Trump's administration took a tough stance on China, initiating a trade war aimed at addressing trade imbalances and intellectual property theft. NATO and defense asterisk. Trump pressured NATO allies to increase their defense spending, arguing that the U.S. was bearing too much of the financial burden for the alliance. 7. Immigration and border security asterisk. Trump's administration implemented a range of policies aimed at reducing illegal immigration, including the controversial zero-tolerance policy that led to family separations at the border. Construction of barriers on the U.S.-Mexico border was a central promise of Trump's campaign, and while much of the wall was not fully completed, his administration replaced and added new sections of fencing. 8. COVID-19 response asterisk. Trump's administration launched Operation Warp Speed, which facilitated the rapid development and distribution of COVID-19 vaccines. His handling of the pandemic was widely criticized, particularly his messaging and the administration's inconsistent public health guidelines. 9. Energy independence asterisk. Trump promoted the expansion of domestic oil, gas, and coal production, leading the U.S. to become the world's largest producer of oil during his presidency. He also withdrew the U.S. from the Paris Climate Agreement, citing its economic impact on American workers. 10. Space Force asterisk. Trump established the U.S. Space Force as the 6th branch of the U.S. military, focused on space operations and the protection of U.S. assets in space. Stay connected with links 123. Like, subscribe, and join our community.